So I'm about to be eating eyelids, edible eyelids, made out of ice, frozen ice, water. Do not eat them. They're nasty. Some of them are messed up. Except for the yellow one. Yeah, I like the yellow one. It's perfect. But you know what? I don't care. Mom, you trying to figure out what I'm eating? They're eyelids.
Is it candy?
It's icing.
No, shit trying to do this.
Yeah, I need your shoe. Okay. Back to what I was doing. Huh? Mhm. I made one when I was pooing.
Huh?
I made one when I was pooing.
What is that?
Icing.
How? We don't have green or yellow or red icing. What is that?
Icing.
We don't have green, yellow, or red icing, bro.
Taste the green.
Bro,
Exactly.
where you get that from?
Upstairs in the room on the floor, in the room where I grow my plants. Huh? They're edible eyelids. It's just frozen icing. Do not eat your eyelids. Okay, folks. Like a butterfly, sting like a bee. On my liquid stroke. Your toes. Okay, this looks weird. It looks so weird. Y'all be like, you weird and wrong. No, baby. Tim, go give me that fruit stuff. That fruit stuff. Mhm. Drink. It's fruit slash